FoxNet, we're a 20-year-old managed service provider. We provide everything for companies from an IT standpoint, including security. Some of our customers, we would do a hybrid type of model. All the software that we use is best-in-class type software from a monitoring standpoint, our ticketing software, our security software, our management, and our 24/7 support that gives customers the need to have IT people, or they can have their own IT people and use it as a hybrid type of model. And we actually have 2 ex-CIOs on staff. So we actually will do fractional CIO type services. So we're giving business advice to match the IT needs and vice versa. One of our key differences would be we can help them build a strategic roadmap from an IT perspective that will match their business needs. FoxNet has to make sure that we're on the leading edge of security because the needs are changing and the hackers are getting more and more sophisticated. So for us, we have to make sure we're on top of it to protect them. By protecting them, we protect ourselves too. We chose to partner with eSentire largely because they, at that stage, were leading edge on the MDR field. Having offices close to us, it made it much more easy for us to get acquainted with the software and see the value in it. Having the E3 ecosystem has allowed us to generate more business. We'll lead with eSentire when we're approaching brand new customers. We're always trying to get our existing customers to upgrade their, say, rudimentary security to it. So it has increased our business and has been a door opener for us. We want to work with vendors that want to work with us. And we just don't want to be a Me Too type of vendor. So having eSentire is a differentiator for us. I believe we're one of the few that are representing eSentire in this region, and I think that has become a real effective way for us to go to market. The channel partner team has been very, very good and very, very approachable. If we had any kinds of things to resolve, they get involved immediately. The technical team works extremely well with eSentire's team, and it's very, very smooth from a standpoint of if there are incidents, who does what and how we go about it. KidsAbility is a local organization that we've been involved in charity and fundraising. One of the key people that was running their RFP happened to be an old customer of ours. He was coming here to help them with their security and with their IT refresh. Data protection is definitely a very big driver in terms of putting eSentire in. When they have the kind of information that they are handling for their patients, that needs to be private and it cannot be stolen. We have monitoring software as well as the eSentire software running 24/7 on every device of KidsAbility. Using our software, a lot of tickets are resolved without any human intervention, and the end user does not need to do anything or level 1 people. eSentire was top of mind essentially because we've absolutely had no disruptions from a security standpoint in any of our customers. So our trust level is extremely high with eSentire, and our relationship from a business standpoint just made sense to offer them to KidsAbility. There were a lot of remote users in this case, a lot of people not working in the office. Makes it a little more challenging because we need to contact the users to be able to onboard them effectively. We delivered the endpoint solution with eSentire for 400 end users, and the deployment went extremely well. The compliance for the Ontario government was getting more and more demanding. They really needed to have a rock-solid solution with MDR technology to comply with the standards that they were being posed upon. The value for them is also very, very high in terms of their cybersecurity insurance, and it gives them peace of mind, and they're more than willing to bundle that into the entire package, and they see the benefit from that.